Okay, real talk. I've been studying English for 3 years, and last week at a coffee shop, the barista asked me, "Do you want room for cream?" And I just stood there, completely frozen. I didn't even know what room meant in that sentence.
Oh no, Derek, what did you do?
I just said yes and nodded like I totally understood. She gave me a half-empty cup, and I had no idea why.
That's actually the most relatable thing I've ever heard. And that is exactly why we made this video.
If you've ever been in a situation like that, where you know English but real conversations still throw you off, stay right here. Because today we're going through 100 real English phrases that people actually use every single day.
Not textbook English, not how do you do English. We're talking real English, the kind you hear at work, at the grocery store, on the phone, and with friends.
I'm Derek.
I'm Emma, and welcome to English Audio Lab. So Derek, before we jump in, let's tell people how this video works.
Right. So we've broken these 100 phrases into categories like greetings, asking for help, expressing feelings, making plans, and more. Emma and I are going to use them in actual conversations, just like we would in real life.
And don't just listen, repeat after us. That's how you really lock the phrases in. Okay, let's go. All right, section 1, greetings. And I want to start with something important. Nobody really says, "Good morning, how are you doing today?" in a stiff, formal way. It sounds robotic.
Totally. So here's how it actually sounds. Scene. Derek runs into Emma in the hallway. "Hey, what's up?"
Not much, just got here. You good?
Yeah, pretty good. A little tired, but good.
Same. I did not sleep well last night.
Okay, did you catch those? Let's break them down. Phrase 1, what's up? A casual way to say hello or ask how someone is doing. Phrase 2, you good? Short for, are you doing well? Very common among friends. Phrase 3, pretty good. Not amazing, not terrible, just pretty good. Very natural answer. Phrase 4, same. One word that means I feel the same way. Super common in everyday talk. Phrase 5, I did not sleep well. A very natural phrase for explaining tiredness.
Now let's keep going. Imagine we're meeting for the first time at a party. Party setting. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Emma.
Oh, hey, I'm Derek. Are you friends with Maria?
Yeah, we work together. How do you know her?
We go way back. We went to college together.
No way. Small world.
More phrases. Phrase 6. I don't think we've met. Polite way to introduce yourself to a stranger. Phrase 7. We go way back. Means you've known someone for a long time. Phrase 8. No way. Expression of surprise. Like saying, really? Or that's unbelievable. Phrase 9. Small world. Said when you discover an unexpected connection with someone.
Okay, 2 more greetings. These are great for when you haven't seen someone in a while.
Oh my gosh, I haven't seen you in forever. How have you been?
I know, it's been ages. I've been great, honestly. Things are finally starting to fall into place.
That's so good to hear. Phrase 10. I haven't seen you in forever. Natural way to say it's been a long time. Phrase 11. It's been ages. Same meaning, very common in British and American English. Phrase 12. Things are falling into place. Means your life is coming together, improving.
Okay, section 3, ordering food and drinks. This is where so many English learners panic.
Like me, with my half-empty cup.
Yes, exactly like Derek. Let's fix that. Scene, at a cafe. Derek to Emma, acting as barista.
Hi, what can I get started for you?
Hi there. Can I get a medium latte, please? Oat milk, if you have it.
Of course. Anything else?
Actually, yeah. Can I also get one of those chocolate muffins? The one right there.
Sure thing. And is that for here or to go?
To go, please. Oh, and do you have any loyalty cards or anything like that?
We do. I can sign you up if you like.
Oh, that'd be great. Thanks.
Phrase 13. What can I get started for you? Common café restaurant greeting from staff. Phrase 14. Can I get a is the most natural way to order, not I want a too blunt or give me a rude. Phrase 15, if you have it, polite way to make a request optional. Phrase 16, anything else? Staff asking if you want to add more. Phrase 17, actually, yeah. Natural transition when you remember something extra. Phrase 18, sure thing. Casual, friendly way of saying of course. Phrase 19, for here or to go. Are you eating inside or taking it with you? Phrase 20, to go. You want your order to take with you. British English, takeaway. Phrase 21, do you have any? Asking about the existence of something. Phrase 22, that'd be great. Short for that would be great. Very warm and natural.
Section 4, work and school phrases. Derek, you work from home, right?
I do, and trust me, I still need these phrases all the time for emails, calls, Zoom meetings.
Let's do a quick office scene. Imagine a Monday morning at the office. Scene, office. Emma walks in. Derek is already at his desk.
Morning. How was the weekend?
Honestly, too short. I feel like I barely had time to decompress. Yours?
Pretty relaxed, actually. I needed it. Last week was a lot.
Ugh, tell me about it. Hey, have you had a chance to look at the report I sent Friday?
I skimmed it. Yeah, I'll give it a proper read this morning. Can we sync up later today?
Yeah, totally. Does 3 o'clock work for you?
Let me just check my calendar real quick. Yeah, 3 works. I'll send you a meeting link.
Perfect. Oh, and heads up, the Wi-Fi's been acting up since this morning.
Of course it has. Classic.
Of course it has. Classic.
Phrase 23, how was the weekend? Standard Monday small talk.
Phrase 24, too short. Funny, relatable way to say the weekend went by too fast.
Phrase 25, decompress, to relax and recover from stress.
Phrase 26, last week was a lot. Natural way to say last week was overwhelming or busy.
Phrase 27, tell me about it, means I totally agree with you, not asking for an explanation.
Phrase 28, have you had a chance to? Polite way to ask if someone has done something.
Phrase 30, I skimmed it, read it quickly without going into detail.
Phrase 31, can we sync up? Let's meet or talk. Very common in professional settings.
Phrase 32, does time work for you? Asking if a time is convenient.
Phrase 33, heads up. A warning or advance notice about something.
Phrase 34, classic, said often sarcastically when something bad but unsurprising happens. Okay, this next section is one of my favorites, making plans, because honestly, this is where the most natural English happens.
And where plans fall apart. Okay, this text message conversation is read aloud. Hey, are you free this weekend? A bunch of us are thinking of going to that new Thai place downtown.
Oh, nice. I'm down. What day are you thinking?
Saturday, probably. Around 7?
Should work. Let me just double check with my sister. She might want to come too.
The more the merrier. Just let me know.
Will do. Oh, do we need to make a reservation or can we just show up?
I'll look into it and keep you posted.
Sounds good. Can't wait. Phrase 35, are you free? Asking about someone's availability.
Phrase 36, a bunch of us. Informal way to say a group of people.
Phrase 37, I'm down, means I'm interested or I want to join. Very casual.
Phrase 38, what day are you thinking? Asking for specifics about the plan.
Phrase 40, should work. Casual way to say that time works for me.
Phrase 42, double check. To verify something you're not 100% sure about.
Phrase 41, the more the merrier. The bigger the group, the more fun it is. Everyone is welcome.
Phrase 42, will do. I'll do that. Short, friendly, confident.
Phrase 43, just show up. To arrive without prior arrangement or planning.
Phrase 44, I'll look into it. I'll research it or find out about it.
Phrase 45, keep you posted. I'll give you updates as I find out more.
Phrase 46, can't wait. expressing excitement about something upcoming.
All right, section 5, expressing how you feel. This is so important because it makes you sound like a real person and not a grammar textbook.
I can't stress this enough.
See what he just did there? That's actually phrase 47.
Let's do a scene. We just watched a movie together. Okay, what did you think?
Honestly, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I was kind of underwhelmed.
Really? I thought it was mind-blowing. Like, I did not see that ending coming.
See, the ending I liked, but the first half dragged a lot for me.
Fair enough. I get what you mean. I was more invested in it because I read the book.
Oh, that makes sense. That probably changed everything.
Yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not perfect, but I still think it's worth watching.
I'll give it that. The visuals alone were stunning. Phrase 48. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I'll be honest, even if it's not what you want to hear.
Phrase 49, kind of underwhelmed. Slightly disappointed because it didn't meet expectations.
Phrase 50, mind-blowing, extremely impressive or shocking.
Phrase, I did not see that coming. It was a complete surprise to me.
Phrase, it dragged, it was slow, boring in parts.
Phrase, fair enough, I understand your point, even if I don't fully agree.
Phrase, I get what you mean. I understand your perspective.
Phrase, don't get me wrong. Before I criticize, I want to clarify I don't hate it.
Phrase, it's worth watching or doing. I recommend it despite its flaws.
Phrase, I'll give it that. I'll agree with at least that one point.
Phrase, stunning, incredibly beautiful or impressive. Section 6, asking for help. A lot of English learners are too shy to ask for help because they don't know how to phrase it politely. So let's fix that right now.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Do you happen to know where the nearest pharmacy is?
Oh, yeah, let me think. So you'll want to go straight down this road, then take a left at the traffic lights. It should be right there on your right. You can't miss it.
Sorry, could you say that again? I just want to make sure I've got it right.
Of course. Straight ahead, left at the lights, right side of the road. Takes about 5 minutes on foot.
Got it. And one more thing. Do you know if it's open right now?
I'm not 100% sure, but I think they close at 8. You should be fine.
That's really helpful. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. Good luck. Okay, phone conversations. This one makes so many people nervous, even native speakers sometimes.
Hello?
Hey, Derek, it's Emma. Is this a good time?
Oh, hey. Yeah, give me 1 second. Okay, I'm all yours. What's up?
So I just got off the phone with the venue, and they said they might need us to push the date back.
Wait, seriously? How far back are we talking?
Like 2 weeks, maybe. I'm not sure yet. I'll know more by end of day.
Okay, keep me in the loop, yeah?
Of course. Sorry to spring this on you.
No, it's fine. Thanks for the heads up. Let me know when you hear back.
Will do. Talk soon.
Talk soon. Bye.
In the store. Excuse me, do you have this in a smaller size?
Let me check in the back for you. And also, is this on sale by any chance?
That one's actually full price, but we have a buy one, get one deal on the rack over there.
Oh, nice. I'll have a look. And what's your return policy like?
You've got 30 days with a receipt or store credit without.
Perfect. I think I'll go ahead and take it.
By accident.
Oh gosh, I'm so sorry. That was totally my fault.
No, don't worry about it. I wasn't looking where I was going either.
Are you sure? I feel terrible.
Honestly, it's fine. No harm done.
Okay. I appreciate you being so understanding.
Being late. I am so sorry I'm late. Traffic was absolutely insane, and then I couldn't find parking.
It's okay. You could have texted me, though.
You're right. I should have. My bad. It won't happen again.
It's fine. I grabbed us a table. Let's just enjoy the evening.
Okay, we are in the home stretch. Last 6 phrases. These are all about ending conversations naturally.
This has been so good. We seriously need to do this more often.
I know. I feel like we never get to just sit and talk anymore.
Oh, shoot. I didn't realize it was this late. I should probably head off.
Yeah, me too, actually. Time flies when you're having a good time.
It really does. Well, it was great catching up. Let's not leave it so long next time.
Absolutely. Take care of yourself, yeah?
You too. Say hi to your family for me.
Will do. Bye.
And that is your 100 phrases. How do you feel? Did you catch them all?
If you missed some, don't stress. That's what the replay button is for. Go back, pause, and repeat each phrase out loud.
The key to sounding natural in English isn't just knowing the words, it's hearing them in real conversations, over and over until they feel automatic.
Which is exactly what we do here on English Audio Lab. So if this video helped you, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We upload new conversations every week.
And drop a comment below telling us which phrase was your favorite, or which situation you find hardest to navigate in English. We read everything.
Seriously, we do. We really do. All right, until next time. Bye.